Hi, in this video I want to show you how to project a silhouette of a curve or parts geometry onto a specific plane. So basically I'm going to start with a simple cylinder drawn at 45 degrees. And I'm going to draw a cylinder and let's just dimension it for sake of argument 2 inches and extrude that to 6 inches and I'll pick midplane. So now if I wanted to project a silhouette of how this curve intersects a horizontal plane or some other plane, what we could simply do is sketch on the top plane and in tools, sketch tools, there's a command called intersection curve where you select the face and there you are. So that cylinder at 45 degrees projects this curve onto the horizontal plane, which you could use for further geometry. If I wanted to, for example, sketch in a different location, I can offset my top plane I need to exit that first. So for the sake of argument, 1 inch the other direction. Likewise, I can do a sketch in this plane and do an intersection curve of this geometry in this plane. If I wanted to, for instance, project this circle onto this plane, then you could do a sketch in this plane. You could do a convert entities, select the circle, and it projects that circle onto this plane. So this is very useful if you're making molds or different parts where you need to project a certain three-dimensional part, a silhouette of outside contours onto different planes. But that's all there is to it. Two tools are, again, in sketch tools, the intersection curve, or you convert the entities and you project it onto the curve.